All right, this is the second video in the tangent lines and equations of circles lesson. The objective in this video is that you understand how the equation of a circle changes as h, k, and r change. You probably have no idea what that h, k, and r mean, but you'll learn in the standard form of equations of circles, and then we're going to give two examples. So let's have a look right now at the standard form of an equation for circles. The equation can be written as the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where the center of the circle is at h, k, and the radius is r units long. So here we have a circle. The center of the circle there is going to be the point HK, and the radius is r units long. So we'll be looking at these circles on an XY coordinate grid. Let's have an example. Here we have a circle. We need to identify where its center is. So one way of doing that is to kind of draw a vertical line and a horizontal line, and so that you can see that it crosses right here, and that is going to be at the point 2, 1. Oops, let me put a comma in there. So the x value of the center is 2, that is the h, and the y value at the center there is 1, and that is the k. Now we need to identify the radius. Well, if we look at this length right here, we can see that the radius is 3 units long. So the equation of this circle will be the quantity x minus h is 2, that quantity squared, plus y minus k, which is 1, and that quantity is squared, and it is equal to the radius, which is 3, squared. Now, usually when we write this, we write it as x minus 2 squared, that quantity, plus the quantity y minus 1 squared is equal to 9. So notice that 3 squared is 9, and that's how we write the equation for that circle. So that's when we're given a circle, but what if we're given an equation? How do we draw the circle? So here I have the quantity x minus 4. So 4 is my h, and I have plus y squared. Well, we can think of this as the quantity x minus, and I'm going to put it here in blue so we can see that's our h value, plus, and what about that y squared? What is that? Well, we could rewrite it as y minus 0 squared. And then that's equal to, and the 4, well, if I take the square root of 4, it's going to be 2, so I could write that as 2 squared. So now I can see that my h is 4, my k is 0, and my r is 2. So x minus 4, so my h is 4, and my k is 0, so my center of the circle is going to be right there. That's going to be the center. And the radius is 2, so I can see my radius is right there. It's 2. And usually a good way to do this is to think about 2 units in each direction, up, down, left, and right from the center. And so I'm going to put dots at those points. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I can connect those in a circular as best I can fashion. And there is my circle. Hope everything makes sense. Good luck to all of you. Ask questions below, make comments. Take care.